Hey everybody, and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this video I'm going to talk about the Taj Epicure Preferred Plus membership with all the people, those who have American Express Reserve credit card. I have personally been to Taj hotels. I have personally utilized these vouchers, these membership do's and don'ts, and I think after experiencing all those the bullet points, I happen to be in the right position to tell you whether the card is really worth it, the membership, whether it's worth it or not. So before we quickly go ahead and talk about the membership and everything else, let me first of all showcase the initial membership, which was valid up till 2023, and the renewed one as well. I want to show both the cards to all of you. All right, so this was the first Taj Epicure Preferred membership which I got in the year 2023, and this was something which you all must have experienced if you had Reserve American Express Platinum Reserve credit card. Let me zoom it for you guys. Okay, now the upgraded version, which has come after, let's say, November 2023, is this. All right, so these two cards are given to people, probably are being retained with individuals, those who have renewed the membership of Reserve credit card. Now let me explain another important point. Whether you are buying this or you're getting is the complimentary from American Express, there are two major differences in that. Number one, if you're buying it by paying 25,000 plus taxes, you're going to get complimentary one night stay, and apart from that 60 minutes of so-called spa, which is absolutely free and complimentary, and it does not involve a single penny if you're buying it from your pocket. On the contrary, if you're not buying it and you're getting it on behalf of American Express, there are multiple other points which I'm going to reveal step by step and probably explain you the details about whether these benefits are worth having or not. So let me go step by step, and I'm going to reveal the pointers. So when you have these membership with you, all the Reserve members, there are multiple points which you got to keep in check. I'm going to explain all these points, and do remember, it may take some time to explain one point at a time, because I need to explain the pragmatic experience, so-called practical experience, on a theory base. So please stick around, because this could go to 8 to 9 minutes of video. First point which you get with Preferred Plus membership is 25% discount on dining and takeaway. So when I say that, I mean to say, if you have this particular card and you are in Taj related hotels, not IHC related hotels, all those restaurants, a la carte, dinner, whatever you do in the Taj property, you're going to get 25% discount each and every time whenever you dine. On the contrary, if you're going to take a takeaway, then the takeaway is only going to be free up till 10 person. If you're taking a parcel for 10 individuals, till 10 individuals parcel, your 25% discount will be eligible. And apart from that, let me just open this folder. Apart from that, you would not get anything on 11th, 12th and 13th. You won't have the discount what they have mentioned as 25%. So if you're staying, bedding and everything, you are good to go. As much as possible you can redeem, and each time you go for a la carte, you can redeem these 25% discounts, or you can redeem 25% discount flat after going multiple a la carte and multiple. But do remember, you have to tell them that you are a member of Taj Group via Epicure Plus Preferred Plus membership. Point number 2, 25% savings on food deliveries from Cumin. The way you have Zomato and Swiggy, Cumin is a specific app designed for top-notch hotels, primarily the restaurants from 5-star hotels, the group of hotels. And whenever you take a parcel or dine on these specific Cumin related hotels, those are based or attached with Cumin, you're going to get another 25% discount. Again, it's unlimited. As many times as you want to avail, you can do that. And over here again, the condition is, if you're taking a parcel, minimum up to 10 individuals can be taken as a takeaway and a discount, and anything above 10 will not be given discount if you're taking a takeaway. Point number 3, 20% off on spa treatment at Jiva Spa. So they happen to have a spa called Jiva Spa in most of the Taj group of hotels. And I'm talking about 5-star properties. I'm not talking about mediocre properties, okay? And these spa will give you 20% discount on treatment, which I still believe is pretty expensive, and 20% does not really make sense. So do think twice if you're going for it. If you can afford it, nothing like it. Point number 4, 20% off on salon. Again, pretty expensive affair. I would not recommend that. Complimentary birthday cake for members birthday month. Not just members birthday month. If you happen to have your daughter, your son, your mom and dad, or your specific birthday, if you tell them in advance and push it, because you got to push. These are Indians, you must understand that. They're going to give you the cake as per your choice and flavor the moment you have your birthday celebration. So do remember, in Taj you really have to push people, and most of the Indian hospitalities, they are not really keen as Americans are, as most of the European countries are, because we in India, we do not really understand the value of customer centricity. So probably you gotta push it, so only then you're gonna get it. So-called crying baby get the milk, isn't it? That's the case in India. Let's talk about 20% discount on best available rate of room/suite at Taj Palaces. When you talk about the coupons, 20% discount you're going to get, and the moment you log into Taj Epicure website as a member, you're going to get a massive difference. So for example, when I booked Taj Convention Resort Goa, the charges were close to 20,000 rupees for a decent deluxe room, and I got those charges at a very minimalistic cost of almost 8,000 rupees per night for 4 days. All right, and this I had booked by cancelling multiple times. So imagine 20k and 8k, but then I had to cancel 7-8 times before I really booked that wonderful deal. So you got to be very careful on that. One time pool access with set lunch and wine at a special price of 3,000 plus tax plus iron for up to 4 guests. So this is a specific kind of a special arrangement which they give you lunch, so-called lunch and a wine, including you got to have 4 members max to max. These 4 members are going to be charged per member 3,000 plus taxes, and it's only applicable once with Epicure Plus membership. Happy Hours as Taj Club Lounge. Happy Hours is a specific program which is going to be at the Taj Club. Now primarily you can say a resto bar where you can have your alcoholic, non-alcoholic beverages, and they happen to have something called Happy Hours, wherein you buy one you get one. All right, so again, there are certain conditions on a specific day, so please make sure you check before you order it, because you should not fall into a trap of very expensive liquor or any kind of cold beverage. So these are the important features you have. Now let me give you the another important feature about what exactly is the real difference between the old and the new one. Now the new Preferred Plus card is going to give you the option of lunch at the pool, 3,000 plus wine for 4 people at one go, and you also have a very important so-called option of let's say availing multiple times, so-called let's say buffet or let's say buffet and a la carte, whatever, with the help of your card. And this I'm talking about with a 25% discount. There is no limitation that you can only eat once and avail once or twice. You can avail as much as you want. If you go for a la carte, buffet, dinner, whatever, if you go 5 times, you can avail 25% 5 times discount. So that's one of the golden advantages you have with Taj Epicure Plus membership. Let me tell you, it is not exactly a great experience with Taj 5-star beach properties and hotels, apart from scenic beauties, apart from breakfast. The food items, I'm not really sure that it clicked on my palate, apart from the breakfast, apart from the beverages. All these things you may like, but then when it comes to authentic delicacies and stuff, more often than not, most of the 5-star, 7-star properties are going to offer you blended food, which means your local restaurant can make better tasty preparation compared to paying 5-star price at Marriott or Taj and so on and so forth. That's my personal experience. When it comes to hospitality, I've always referred and recommended Taj hotels because they are quite unique and they never say no to their customers. That's what I have personally observed and experienced. So if you take my opinion, if you want to book a 5-star beach properties or hotels, please only select the Taj related group hotels and not IHCL and below, because IHCL and below are going to be 3-star and 4-star hotels. Whenever you have a beach property or palaces, they're going to be a little expensive, but take my words, they're worth it. You take care. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, any suggestion, put in the comment, and do not forget to share and subscribe the channel for further education. Till next time, you take care and thanks for watching.